boop, beep boop, beep boop.
Beep boop. Should I start?
Yes.
We made Juby's ham wheel, AKA her cat wheel. We call it the ham wheel because she only uses it to
summon ham.
To summon us to give her ham. But Juby's ham wheel was made 2 years ago. At the time, we used wheels that were a little cheap. And between then and now, she's gone through phases of using it and phases of not using it. And we've been considering for a while replacing the wheels. We're finally gonna do it. So let me just show you guys the current wheels here. You can kind of hear it and see how much residual spin there is.
Yeah.
See how it just kind of stops?
And that's kind of what she does.
Yeah, she'll take 1 or 2 steps. She kind of like puts her feet up, lets her weight pull it down, sits, and then looks at us. But we want to replace the wheels and then see if maybe she will actually run on it a little bit more, which doesn't have to work so hard.
Let's take this off real quick.
Okay. Was that okay?
Yeah, I think that was
it was
great.
a little rambly and roundabout in the
Yeah, it's still recording. These wheels don't have ball bearings to like carry a lot of weight, and it's really shaky. The ideal thing would be to like make some sort of a ball bearing roller that's not just touching at these 2 points, but that has full contact all the way around. A nice sturdy shaft. Turns out we could actually buy the exact thing that we wanted from online. The right width, the right diameter, the right ball bearings. It's gonna be a pretty simple one-to-one replacement. I don't know why I just didn't do all the research to find this in the beginning. But we're gonna fix that today.
Okay, we temporarily clamped the new wheels in place. Let's see if it,
This seems safer.
yeah. Let's see how the wheel works. Is that the right positioning?
Are you gonna show off my fancy footwear? Whoa! This is way more. Oh my gosh, it's so wobbly though. Why is it so wobbly?
Whoa, it's very wobbly.
It's going to be a pretty simple one-to-one replacement.
Oh, there's no, there's no left to right protection going on right now. Oh no! Did we open up a big can of beans?
I think we might have.
Oh, but it rolls so much smoother.
What can we do to register it left and right?
Look at this, look at this.
I know.
Oh no. Oh no! These are the registration marks, these rollers right here. That's what prevents it from twisting. It's luckily not that big of a deal. We actually installed these with brackets and screws, so I'm just gonna lower this whole thing down until these outside riders are riding here again. 4. Ta-da!
Okay, let's see if they work in this new position. Whoop, something fell out. A washer? Is that important?
I think that feels a lot better.
Yeah, less frictiony. It's kind of frictiony again. It's like by making it meet those little side rollers that help it from wobbling, we're adding friction.
Has it been the side rollers this whole time?
Apparently the thing that popped out
Was one of the side rollers.
was one of the side rollers.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe
That's it.
Maybe this will fix it. Yeah, I see the friction. So we put these little side rollers in here, and that's what prevents it from rolling off track. But I wonder if these are pressing out on here, because I noticed on some parts of the wheel, it was rolling better than others, which makes me think that like our wheel might be a little bit like trapezoided.
Very possible.
So I wonder if I just loosen the amount of outward tension there is on the wheel. I wonder if this was the solution the whole time and it was never an issue with the rollers.
That'd be ironic. How much were those new rollers again?
So I just took out this one spacer right here, which should prevent these from pushing out on the wheel as much. Come on. Let's get Juby rolling and let's go to sleep. Ready?
It's 7:13.
No, it's 8:13. It's 8:13.
Oh yeah, we didn't change the clocks. It's 8:13. Okay.
I'm tired.
Let's see. That's better.
It rolls a lot more. Now, how wobbly is it? Wow.
Give it a fast one.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait.
Speed, Juby.
Okay, do it. Okay, she's not gonna be going faster than that. I think we should be good. Let's just see if she likes this.
But first, we should be.
Yeah, we gotta attach these. Oops, I forgot it was still in test mode. What do you think? I haven't even done the ham call yet, and she's already coming. She knows I have it. Juby loves ham.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's the good.
Juby loves. Oh.
All right, Juby, now you gotta work for
If
it.
you want more ham, you gotta come on your wheel. Come on.
It's been a long time since we had to tempt you on.
Well, she's suspicious of us.
She's suspicious. Whoa, it's moving on its own. Here, I'll come in, I'll hold it.
Ham.
Yes,
Wait,
that's good, that's good,
That's
good.
good.
One more.
More ham.
No!
Gonna gravitate.
Like hide it in your jacket.
Ham pocket. Ham. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is like the most she's ever
That's so good,
run.
Juby. That's so good. That's so good.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
It rolls so
So
good.
much better.
Like at first I thought you were moving it.
No.
Oh, Juby knows what that means. Juby ran, so she gets.
Yeah, guys, that's so good.
It's so much better.
So much better.
She was really going on that.
She was really going.
Good job. Oh, you got ham in your neck, Fluff.
Oh,
There you go.
Juby.
Is my ham.
Hope you enjoyed this little update and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Yeah, much success.
Bye.
Good job. Oh, look at her go again. Yeah.
Good job.
Look at that.
Good job, Juby.
Oh, yay, it was worth it.